I'm proud to work for BD because of the products that we make. We make IV catheters here in Sandy, Utah. Over half of the IV catheters around the United States are produced here at our facility. 14 years ago, I joined BD as a manufacturing engineer. And within that first year, my wife was diagnosed with cancer. So I've had the opportunity to see our products used for the last 14 years as my wife has gone through treatments and as we've gone through emergency situations. And I've come to depend on the BD products to save my wife's life. I became a quality manager because I knew that I could help impact patients' lives like my wife and like others that need and depend on our products to make an already horrible situation better. BD having a facility here in Sandy, Utah helps the community by giving a lot of diverse people the opportunity to see and build these products that they know will impact the lives of others. It's one thing to see things in drawings or pictures, but it's a whole other thing to manufacture and build and have the pride to see the product coming out of the facility being used on their family members and being used on their friends at the hospitals around the world and around the United States. I've worked for BD for 14 years because of the people and because of the products. You know, we have a great team of like-minded people that all want to do the best we can for our patients who are our customers. And we all have this purpose of helping everybody improve their lives.